Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at WeBe Autos. Today we have a gorgeous truck. It's a 2004 Dodge Ram SRT10 Viper truck. Regular cab, short box. Completely stock except for the tonneau cover. Fantastic condition. Black on black. Loaded too with options. It's got navigation. 52,854 miles. The original owner's manuals as well. It does come with a car cover. Overhead console, Infinity sound system. She's loaded. Drop-in bed liner as well. This is a hard tonneau cover with integrated spoiler. Born on 6/21/04, the 18th hour. Pretty cool. Runs and drives perfect, no issues. Well guys, thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from WeBe Autos. Feel free to give me a call. That's 631-339-0399. You can also check out more pictures, information, and detail on our main website. It's webeautos.com. Thanks a lot.